Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome to Happy Valley Ranch at the Albert Eckery Grasslands Preserve. We'll get right to it. This is our Gardenquake. It's a little tiller that, makes sense for homeowners and rental shops. Down here is, it looks like a dorsal fin of a shark upside down. This is the easy anchor. What that does for you, and you want to make sure that it's always maintained and in a good shape, is it keeps the machine stabilized. So when you're going through your first cut or you're tilling really deep, that will keep the machine from shaking. If we come up here, you'll see all you need to do is push back, the spring releases, and we're able to change our depth height. Right here, this is a locking differential. What happens when you lock the differential is it makes it a lot easier to break new ground, okay? Because what happens is we lock the wheels together so the power is going to both wheels, okay? Now it does make it more difficult to make a turn, so you're able to turn it on and off just by this lever right here, which is pretty convenient for you, okay? Now what we have here is the transmission lever, okay? So if I put it, these are your different travels. Down here at the bottom, I have a reverse speed, okay? A slow travel speed, number 1, and number 2 travel speed, okay? Now the machine will not engage the tines only when we are up here in this position, okay? That's a safety feature. We don't want the tines running, while we're trying to transport the machine anywhere. This red lever here regulates both your speed and your quick shutoff, okay? Shut off not in the engine shutting off, but the operations of the machine will cease, okay? So the machine will stop moving forward, okay? And the tines will shut off, should you need to just release that.
So how do you start this machine?
All right, well, what we would do is come up here, and you can see this button right here. It's on and off. Just turn it to on. Come around to the front of the machine here. We have 2 slide levers. The first one down at the bottom is black, and what you do is slide it towards the machine. That's your gas shutoff. So you want to open up the fuel line, and that is by pushing the black lever towards the machine, okay? The second item you want to do is, especially if it's cold, we're going to turn the choke out and away from the machine, okay? Our next part in the process is, especially again if it's a cold start, we're going to want to put it about in the middle between the turtle and the rabbit, okay? And then simply just put your foot on the decal, pull the rope, okay? And then shut off the choke.